Hello everyone, I am Wale Akinyemi and I'm here to ignite the fire within you. I believe that every person has the potential to be great in life, and I'm passionate about guiding individuals on their journey to success. Don't forget to like, to comment, to subscribe for more powerful success strategies. Our topic today is using the power of your words to create wealth. Words are powerful tools that shape your financial reality. What you speak about money, about wealth, about success influences your mindset, your decision, and ultimately your financial result. If you constantly say, I can never afford that, or money is hard to come back, you reinforce limiting beliefs that blocks wealth from flowing into your life. But if you declare, I am financially abundant, or money flows to me effortlessly, you reprogram your subconscious mind for prosperity. So in this video, we are going to explore how words shape financial reality, positive declaration and self-talk, and also practical exercises in wealth declaration. By the end of this video, you will have the further power to attract and to create wealth you desire. How words shape financial reality. Your words create your experience of wealth. Every time you speak, you are sending signals to your mind and the universe about what you expect financially. The science behind words and wealth, your subconscious mind believes whatever you tell it, whether positive or negative. What triggers emotions, which influence your actions and financial habits. Speaking positively about money attracts financial opportunities, while negative speech repels them. Example of wealth building and wealth blocking words are this. Let's look at wealth blocking words. I'm always broke. I can't afford that. Money is hard to make. Rich people are greedy. Now these are the words that will block your ways. But let's look at the wealth building words. I always have more than enough money. That is good. Opportunity for wealth come to me daily. That is also good. I attract prosperity with ease. Money is a tool for good in my life. So I want you to pay attention to how you speak about money. Replace negative statements with positive ones. Positive declaration and self-talk. What are positive declarations? Positive declarations or affirmations are statements you repeat to program your mind for financial success. They are most effective when spoken out loud with belief and emotion. How to create powerful wealth declaration. Use the present tense. Speak as if your financial success is already happening. I am a magnet for wealth. Not one day I will have money. No. Be specific. Instead of saying I want more money, declare I am earning $10,000 per month effortlessly. Attach emotion. Feel the success as you say it. I feel deep gratitude for my increasing wealth. Example of wealth affirmation. Money flows to me in expected and unexpected way. I am financially free and secure. I am a wise and successful investor. Every dollar I spent returns to me multiplied. I deserve wealth and attract prosperity effortlessly. I want you to choose 3 affirmations that resonate with you. Say them every morning and night for 30 days. Let's look at the practical exercises in word declaration. Number 1, the daily morning affirmation ratio. Every morning, stand in front of a mirror. Look into your own eyes and declare at least 3 powerful wealth affirmations. Say them with confidence and emotion. Example, look in the mirror and say, I am worthy of unlimited abundance. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly. I am financially successful in all that I do. If you do this for 21 days, notice the shift in your mindset. Number 2, writing wealth declaration for reinforcement. Write down 5 positive money declarations in a notebook every day. Feel the truth of these words as you write them. This reinforces wealth subconsciousness in your subconscious mind. Example, write, I am a powerful creator of wealth and financial freedom. Repeat it 10 times every day. Number 3, the voice recording method. Record yourself speaking wealth affirmation. Listen to your recording daily, especially before bed. This helps reprogram your subconscious mind for wealth. Example, you can record this. I am financially free. Money flows to me effortlessly. Play before you sleep. Number 4, the gratitude word declaration. Before sleeping, express gratitude for financial abundance as if you already have it. Say, I am so grateful for my growing wealth and financial sources. Gratitude attracts more abundance into your life. You can start a gratitude journal where you write 3 things daily about money that you are grateful for. Speak your wealth into reality. The word you speak shapes your financial destiny. To create wealth, you must be aware of your money language and eliminate negative talk. Use positive affirmation daily to train your mind for success. Practice wealth declarations consistently to attract prosperity. Choose 3 affirmations and say them out loud daily. Write your top financial goal as an affirmation and repeat it daily. Be mindful of how you talk about money. Only speak prosperity. Your words have power. Use them to create the financial sources you deserve. Join me on this incredible journey of growth, inspiration, and transformation. Together we will create a fortune filled with purpose, impact, and success. Today I will be introducing you to Red Planet Mathematics class, where knowledge meets wealth and dreams becomes reality. If you are ready to break free from limitations, to unlock your full potential, and to create a life of abundance, then welcome to Red Planet Mathematics class. Mathematics Success class is not just another program, it's a game changer, a life rescue package designed to correct the wrongs of society and liberate you from poverty, ignorance, and stagnation. This is your golden ticket to mastering success, wealth creation, and spiritual alignment through a proven structural system that blends ancient wisdom, modern strategies, and divine principles. Why should you join another Planet Mathematics class? Because success is not a mystery, it's not luck, but a formula. At Mathematics, we have decoded this formula into 3 powerful, life-transforming courses. Number 1, Success Mathematics, where you master the proven success principles that the world's top achievers use to build wealth, influence, and lasting impact. Number 2, Moneymatics, where you discover the science and art of wealth creation, learning the financial secrets of legendary millionaires and billionaires. Number 3, Spiritmatics, where we unleash the divine power within you to manifest supernatural breakthroughs, abundance, and purpose-driven success. Every stage in mathematics earns you a certification, but even more importantly, it earns you wealth, wisdom, and influence. No more struggling with self-doubt, fear of financial lack. No more wishing for success. It's time to create it. No more being stuck in life. It's time to rise and thrive. When you join us today, you are not just learning, you are earning. Our unique system allows you to grow in ranks, earn massive income, and achieve financial freedom while gaining life-changing knowledge. Your breakthrough is waiting. Click the link below to sign up for our free 30-day mathematics success accelerator. Your success is in your hand. Take action. Create the life you deserve now.